Okay, so to wash my brushes, I always use the Solid Brush Cleaner by Sephora. Beauty Blender has one, but it's just more expensive and it's the exact same thing as this one, so I always get this one. I always use this every single day to clean my Beauty Blender. Every single day. It's a little dirty right now. And then it comes with this little piece here that helps you clean brushes better. However, I just found this mat at my drugstore. It's by Real Techniques, and I thought it was really awesome to have because I know Sigma has one, but this was way easier to get than the Sigma one for me. So it was only like, I think maybe 10 or 15 bucks, which was decently priced. So if you're looking for one of these brush cleaner mats, definitely go to your local drugstore. I found mine at Rexall, and yeah, it's Real Techniques, so that was good. So to start off, I'm gonna put that in the sink. Here I have a towel ready to go for me to place my brushes on once they're clean. Okay, so first I wet my brush and then I rub it into the soap, and I continue to do that until the water runs clear and clean. And then I just continue to do the exact same thing for every single one of my brushes. And once I'm done, I wring out the water from the brush and then I place it on top of my mat just to lay it flat and clean so none of the bristles get all messed up. Okay, so when they're clean and resting on my towel, I always like to take a Lysol wipe and wipe down the wand, because like your hands are so dirty and you're touching a bunch of makeup and then you're touching your brushes. It's good to keep those clean, because then after you touch your brushes, you touch your face thinking that your face is clean. I mean, your hands are clean, but they're not, so I like to do this and wipe them down. And as for my Beauty Blender, I rested on this little thing that I got in a set, just so it's not like touching any dirt, and it's just sitting right there. Oh, sitting right there beside the sink for when I get ready in the morning.